Hi folks, Ethereum price action, technical analysis, all that good stuff. Very messy chart, isn't it? Wow, headache inducing. Well, what all of this is telling me is that we could be looking at a bit of a bull flag right now, hiding all of those drawings and saying that if we actually continue and push down past the 18-period exponential moving average, taking out the sort of World War II price targets of sort of 1945, then what we'd be looking down to, of course, is the median line here, looking down towards, maybe the Irish famine, perhaps, around about 1850 there. After, and in fact maybe even extending as far down as the sort of the Scottish Enlightenment, perhaps down here towards the 17th century Renaissance period, if we're looking at prices in terms of significant historical periods in time. If not though, then of course bull flag, and what we're looking to is continue on up the way. Next profit taking target comes in at around about the 2225 area, where of course you'd be taking a light degree of profit off the back of all of your trades, but popping in a number of different targets and looking up the way and having all of our noise back on. And I know you can't see the candles themselves anymore, but who cares about that, because we've discussed it now already, and we're looking up towards 2500 at the 1618 is our next profit taking target. That's not the only reason why you'd be looking up towards that area, just drawing in a measure move on the back of that triangle and saying, oh look, that's where that happens to be at. Now as it happens, we've done the 60% textbook move, now we're experiencing a pullback, and I expect to see the prices hopefully continue on towards 2500 next. The recent high that we've come in here has not been divergent on the MACD, which is nice to see. Likewise then, what we're also seeing is the potential for us to get into a bullish move with regards to the ADX here on the DMI plus ADX. One couple of worrying things maybe worth pointing out perhaps is that there is this negative cross here. If we actually found a bounce here, right here on the edge of the bullish control zone, or the extremely overbought, whatever, who cares, whatever you want to call that. I'm just going to call it critical or indeed extremely bullish zone, then 2500 becomes a distinct and possible reality. The red line showing us the potential for that bull flag. Let's hope for the best, ladies and gents. The Bollinger Bands are telling us that we're doing absolutely fine and we could continue on with that. As you can see, the moving averages all splayed out in the perfect way, and of course at the point of this bull flag we're just seeing the exponentials taking over that red dotted line here, this exponential 54 period taking over the 50 simple, and I like to see that in terms of that potential 2500 target. Likes really appreciated by me. I like it when you hit like, so please do that. If you want to subscribe, then cool, I'm not going to say no. Come back for a live stream one day. This video, by the way, is filmed during a live stream, so you're able to ask me questions during it. Like, check that out, for instance, here and there. And by the way, thanks again to Trey, who donated $20 during this. Right, see you in the next one.